Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a how to make money as a teenager. I think these videos are very interesting because who doesn't want money? Like, I don't like being broke. I'm pretty sure you don't. So if you just watch this video, I'll tell you how to make money as a teenager. And also, make sure you comment down below where my next video should be. And so, I hope you like this intro. Give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Look down in the description box to follow all of my social medias. And yeah, let's get onto this video. My first tip on how to make money is to mow someone's yard, of course, and wash someone's car. These are the most easiest ways to make money, in my opinion. Like, they take a lot of hard work, but they're not hard to come up with. Like, I'm pretty sure a lot of people need their car washed or their grass mowed, so that's a good idea. Try to sell your clothes on Poshmark, Mercari, or go to Plato's Closets. Plato's Closet is pretty much a place that takes in your clothes, and they look at all the clothing, and since it's worn, they might not give you what it's supposed to be worth. Like, it might not be what you wanted it to be, but at least you're leaving out there with money instead of, like, you know, nothing. But you don't have to give your clothes to them. You can also make a Poshmark account where you can go, or you can go on Mercari and sell your stuff on there. Mercari and Poshmark are pretty much just apps that allow you to sell your clothes online to strangers. Like, you deliver your clothes to them pretty much. Like, I made it sound really weird by saying strangers, but that's what they are pretty much. And they're giving you their money, so that's the good thing about it. Try to take pictures of your friends. Like, if you have a really good camera, say you have like some type of good Canon camera or any camera in general that it has very good quality, you can get your friends and you can take their pictures or something, and they'll want to post them on their Instagram, and they can tag you, and people will want you to take their pictures if they're really good. And that's just one good idea that I'm gonna have to try, and because I actually like taking pictures. That's something that's very fun. Babysitting. A lot of people don't like babysitting, but I don't personally like it also. Like, y'all thought I was gonna say I love it, but I don't. I have to watch, you might hear my brothers in the background right now. I have to watch their baby selves, and I do not like it. So I don't think I would enjoy babysitting other kids. So that's just me personally, and I think that some of you guys really love kids, so go for it. Go babysit. You get a lot of money from it too, so yeah. Make a lemonade stand. This might sound childish, but it's true. Like, don't make the prices too high. Maybe you want to just get like some Simply lemonade juice or whatever and put it in like a container and tell people that you made it. But I think it's a pretty good idea to make money, and but I just think that selling lemonade would be a great idea to make money. Make an Etsy account. Etsy is a online or an app, whichever one you want to use. You can make an account and you can sell products on there. Say you make some type of slime and you want to sell it because you think it's really good. Or you make homemade t-shirts and put like a slogan or some kind of logo on there. People will probably want to buy it. They'll come across your account, and you might want to promote it on your social medias. And if you don't have a social media, someone will find your account and they'll like it. I've heard of a lot of people making a lot of money from this idea. So yeah, I think that would be a very good one also. So I think that it would be a really good idea for you to maybe help out some relatives. Say you're over your grandparents' house, or say you're just at home with your mom and dad and you just really need money. So maybe you want to help out around the house, like clean the kitchen, walk the dog, but cleaning up around the house. And that would be a good idea. That would be a good way to make money and be able to earn it. It's during the school year Or maybe if they don't remember stuff from last school year, you can teach them or tutor them. And try not to make your prices very high, saying that you're not a professional, and you know, they could just go get a real tutor if you make your prices too high, since their parents are paying for it. And I just think that would be a good idea if you actually know what you're doing. Tip 9, make sure that you don't get caught doing this, by the way. So some schools, they have a rule where you can't sell candy, snacks, or anything like that to like your classmates. But in my school, we haven't got caught for that yet. So I think that would be a really good idea to do that, because you know, if you buy the snacks in bulk, yeah, I think that would be a good idea for you guys to try out. Even in the summer, if you're like going to summer camp and you know the food is terrible, kids are gonna want to buy from you. If they brought their money, they're gonna buy from you. So that would be also a good idea. So yes, if you guys want really easy money, just download the app called, this is not sponsored by the way, just download Cash App and they'll give you money for referring a friend to download their app. You have to have a debit card hooked up to the account so that they can send $5 to it. And they'll notify you when someone has downloaded the app, or not download the app, but if you send it to someone, they'll give you $5. I don't have a debit card, so I couldn't do that, but I think that would be a good idea for most of y'all. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of slow since I did not know how to describe some things. And I already know how they are and how they work, but it's really hard to describe them to make y'all understand like how it all comes together. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a comment down below what my next video should be, and subscribe. Also, check out those social medias. So it took me like 8 times to do this video, right? Because I'm screw up. I kept on saying another title instead of saying the one that I said in the beginning of this one. Hopefully I said the right title, I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.